Hello everyone, want this? Firstly, get your text ready, duplicate it and add turbulent noise on the second one. Copy my values. Change blending mode to hard light. Now add turbulent displays to the first text. Copy my values. Create evaluation keyframes. Higher you put, the faster it is. I am going to be using 2-3. If you want fast, you can try 4-5. Now select both the text and pre-compose them. Now add BCC raise puffy to it. Copy my values. You can customize colors to your liking. I personally won't. Now add deep glow too. Copy my values. And now you are done. If this tutorial helped you, then please consider liking on your way out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.